God have mercy upon us.
What are you seeing now? Hey! What can I do? Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon. Okay, my name is Eva. I'm here for the housekeeping job.
Oh, you're the one the agency said?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Thanks for the I was just about calling them, so no much thing to do. Clean and wash.
Okay,
you don't know.
Can I start now?
You don't know why.
What's going on here?
Hey!
Eh? Start what? Where? How? What is happening here? What be this? They swear. Wait, they swear for you. Wait, is your job? They send you from village to be stalking me in Lagos State. What is your problem? Why are you following me up and down? He sent you, Abby.
Baby, what?
Oh, see, baby. Sorry, wait, sorry. What? Who is she?
A woman.
Your woman. You see that he who the gods want to make mad, he makes stubborn. Eh?
It's what's happening here now? What's the problem? You guys know each other.
Yes! I eventually know this idiot from this gate an hour ago. Excuse me now. Excuse me, you two. Who is this one? Excuse me, go back there. What are you looking for? What do you want in this house? What's your business with what I want? Is it your business? See, excuse me. Whatever you are speaking is all your business. Are you okay? You bumped into me and you're telling me rubbish. Madam, you bump into me now? Which guy? If you say one more word, I don't near you with better slap.
No.
In my own house. Pass here. Madam, if the boy pass here. For my copper. You don't crazy. I go beat you. I don't pass. I go beat this woman now. Not get what you want to do. Come pass here. Pass. I go beat you.
Hey!
You know, I don't beat people for you. Wait, make a pass. I think you're going away. They send you for me, madam. If I don't slap me since. You go come up. You're lucky. Say I did in a good mood. I just want to go buy something. If not, I for you not you. Go. See, if I want to buy something, this idiot bumped into me and couldn't say sorry. Man, I know they come idiot too. I don't mind saying a man. There you go. Meanwhile, please. What's she doing here? Why are you talking to her?
The house keeper, the agency sent to us now that we talked about.
You see, there's no work for you here.
Just go. I will get back to the agency so that we can just amend this thing because I'm seeing the energy I'm seeing. I'm not liking it. So you can go now.
Madam, fuck all day. It's okay. Who is your madam? I won't challenge you. You are my upcoming madam. It's okay, but you don't have to sack me before the tell you what to
I'm not sacking you. I'll get back to you. I'll get back to the agency and tell you to come back or something.
Friend is of the Lord. This is not how to do things. There is not fair. If you swear back to send her.
It's okay.
Back to send her. Leave here.
Let's go. American can go.
Hey! Boss, what's your own? I'm a boss. Who's in here? I was just checking on you. Why is this house? You're not nothing when I have to touch her. What
God have mercy upon us.
What are you seeing now?
Hey! I just suddenly have it. It's just make me, the bond was just much.
Yeah, get out from here now. What is it?
Calm down now. So, are you sure she was the one you were calling outside? Sometimes your temperament is always high.
You don't know why it's going on.
I said she insulted me. I don't understand.
It's just me and you. You know what happened? Don't need to call the agency. Hey! Don't need. Maybe just do like this. You can go and we'll talk about. We'll just.
So how you doing? Okay. Yeah. Did you not come in alone, your village will follow you with dance.
Hey, baby, wait.
If you believe I will not do, baby. I will not do. Baby, I'm going to not do.
You see what I'm saying?
No,
she can't go now.
what's wrong with you?
She can't go now. You are shouting. You can't go. Calm down. I'm going to calm down. The man of the house, calm down. Where's the house help? Let her go and go inside and find one. Can you do what is inside? My clothes is here.
I can see what is going on here now. I can see what is. Okay. So, guys, you said. If I slap the beat, you Nigeria can't now. I cannot go. You will choose between me and her.
What?
I do it like that.
I see it like that.
You're asking me?
No.
I don't want that. You say you want that. How are we supposed to agree? Choose between me and her now. You see, that's why I say, let me find you a girl from the village.
No, you are enough. Sorry, baby, no.
Hey,
Jesus
Christ.
Enough is enough. This boy is not a professor.
I want to choose.
I hear me, but me.
Baby, accept.